Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating an Egyptian inspired makeup look featuring the new City Color Egypt collection. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the City Color Be Bold Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown using the Bodyography Brow Brush. I'm lightly applying this just to give a little more shape to the brow, then I'm setting the hairs in place with the Be Bold Brow Gel. Now I'm just cleaning up the lower edge of the brow, defining the shape, and covering any hairs outside of that shape using the Pilouise base in the shade 0.5. Then I'm tapping the base onto my eyelids to act as my eyeshadow primer with the Morphe JH36 brush. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Secret Amulet eyeshadow palette from the Egypt collection by City Color Cosmetics. First, I'm picking up this mauve shade and applying it to the outer part of the eye with a small flat brush. I'm tapping this on to achieve a good color payoff, and then I'm dragging it out towards my temples to create a wing-like shape. This shadow really surprised me because it was very easy to apply and didn't have any fallout. Now that I have a shape to follow, I'm using the Hiero pen to outline the shadow we just applied. This eyeliner is very thin, allowing for a precise application, and it's also extremely matte black as well. Next, I'm picking up this cool toned shimmery shade and applying it to the front half of the lid, keeping it at the same height as the rest of the shadow. I'm also dragging this onto the matte shade so that it covers most of the lid, and then blending the two together by sweeping this fluffy brush with a little bit of the mauve shade on it back and forth between the two shades. Now I'm adding some eyeliner on my lash line and creating a wing in the outer corner so that it connects to and flows with the eyeliner in that area. I'm also creating a small wing at the inner corner of the eye. Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with the City Color Primer Oil and applying the Be Nude foundation in the shade Nude 101. I'm pouncing this onto the skin with a damp e.l.f. Total Face sponge, and then I'm applying concealer. I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer in the shade Fair 10 In and blending this in with the same e.l.f. sponge. To set the face, I'm pressing some Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder onto the skin using a damp Real Techniques mini sponge. Next, I'm dipping into the City Color Cheek Me Out palette and contouring the hollows of my cheeks along my hairline and jawline using the Morphe JH05 brush. Then I'm switching to a smaller, more precise brush and contouring the sides of the bridge of my nose and blending that in by tapping my sponge over it. For highlighter, I'm using the Sunlit Loose Highlighter in the shade Nile from the Egypt collection, which is super shiny. Next, I'm adding some blush from the Cheek Me Out palette to the apples of my cheeks and sweeping it up towards my hairline to give a lifted effect to the face. After spritzing on some Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, it's time to finish off the eyes. First, I'm adding a little bit of that mauve shade to my lower lash line, concentrating it towards the outer corner. Then, I'm adding some eyeliner to the outer half of the lower lash line, connecting it to the wing in the outer corner. Next, I'm curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler and applying the City Color Be Batty Mascara. Then, I'm applying the Be Batty lashes in the style Nefertiti from the collection and adhering those to the eye with the City Color Lash Glue. After that, I'm tightlining with the Note Cosmetics Intense Look Eye Pencil, applying the Note Automatic Highlighter Pencil to my waterline, and adding the lower lash mascara. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the City Color Be Bold Lippie in the shade Mija. And that completes this Egyptian-inspired look. Overall, I'm very impressed with the City Color Egypt collection. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!